The Gyan Mudra is a powerful yogic mudra that stands for supreme knowledge. It is said to focus on the mind, body and heart and epitomizes the core values of knowledge, action, care and impact that the Piramal group stands for. We at Piramal Glass give utmost priority to safety of our employees, visitors, plant and machinery. We are committed to provide a safe working environment to all personnel working in our premises. We at Piramal Glass have established and implemented very rigorous safety norms. We meet all the applicable statutory requirements. We are certified by international accrediting bodies for reputed international standards such as OSAS 18001, ISO 14001, ISO 9001, FSSC 22000 and BRC. We have also been awarded by Gujarat Safety Council for the maximum accident-free hours. Visitor-related safety rules. Before allowing any visitor inside factory, security takes the permission from concerned authority prior to allow. Recording of entry of all visitors and contract employees entering the plant at the main gate is mandatory. Visitors' medical declaration is taken at gate entry. Always wear safety shoes while entering the plant. The reception desk will then call the respective personnel to escort the visitor to the safety officer before entering the plant. Now let's carefully go over the demonstration on how to wear the PPEs. Firstly, earplugs. Gently push the foam inside the ear with one hand and with the other hand pulling the ear for smooth transition. Wear the head cap like so. Face mask. Hold the mask in your hand and gently place it over your nose, and while holding, use your other hand to pull the strings over the head and tighten as per your liking. And lastly, wear safety goggles. Once done, carefully examine yourself to check if you have worn everything properly. Our plant is declared as no smoking zone. Chewing of pan, tobacco and gutka is not allowed in the plant premises. Persons under the influence of alcohol or illegal drugs are not permitted on the site. For transport vehicles, speed limit is 20 km per hour inside the plant. Convex mirror fitted at sharp turning point. Visitors are requested to use it. Always keep safe distance from the moving machinery. Machinery or equipment can be operated only by trained personnel. Usage of mobile phones are not allowed near the gas grid. Food and meals are only consumed in canteen. Piramal Glass has dedicated occupational health center to address any immediate need related to any health issue. In case of emergency, all the personnel present inside the factory must assemble at the identified nearest emergency assembly point by using emergency exit. Plant-related safety rules. Here is the location map of our plant showing various areas of the plant. This map will be utilized to show personal protective equipments required in each area. Use the following PPEs in raw material storage area, furnace area and bottle manufacturing area. Follow the following procedures. First, wear the head cap to avoid foreign contamination in finished goods. For protection against dust, wear the face mask by holding the mask in one hand and using the other to put the strings behind your head. After this, wear the earplugs to protect ears against high noise. Once done, you may then proceed to wear the safety goggles to protect the eyes from flying particles, objects, and then move on to hand sleeves for protection against sharp cuts and heat. And finally, gloves for hand protection. In the quality control area, all personnel must wear head cap and gloves to avoid contamination in the finished products. We have storage of liquid oxygen and furnace oil for process requirements. These are hazardous materials as per PESO rules. Follow emergency rules for protection. Off-site and on-site emergency mock drills for different scenarios are conducted regularly to keep all the employees alert and make them ready to handle any real potential emergency situation. Best fire hydrant systems are made available and maintained in the plant to combat any emergency situation. Our glass plant has well-equipped ambulance and fire tender for combating emergencies. Work permit system is strictly being followed before beginning of any site work. We at Piramal Glass have also established excellent practices in the area of environment and energy management. To meet the legal requirements of the Pollution Board, we have zero liquid discharge effluent treatment plant. All the rejected bottles get entirely recycled and used as raw material. We have plants for water harvesting at 4 locations in the plant. To help nature and conserve energy, we have our own solar power generation that generates 2.5 megawatts.